Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Discord not opening or stuck on updating on Windows 11. First, make sure Discord is fully closed. Now press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. A small run window will open. In this box, type %appdata% and press enter. This will open the AppData roaming folder. In this folder, look for a folder named Discord. Right-click on the Discord folder and click delete. This removes cached files that can cause problems. If Windows asks for permission, allow it. Next, go back to the Run window again by pressing Windows key and R. This time, type %local appdata% and press enter. In this folder, find the Discord folder once more. Right-click on it and delete it as well. After deleting both folders, restart your computer to make sure all changes are applied. If Discord still does not work correctly, the next step is to reinstall it. Right-click the Start button and open Installed Apps. Find Discord in the list, click on it, and choose Uninstall. Follow the steps to remove it. Once uninstalled, open your browser and go to the official Discord website. Download the latest installer and run it. Complete the installation. This should fix most cache and startup issues. Thanks for watching.